Defendant is recommended by the social. I do not have a social. Have the TIN,
What is a TIN?
the tax identification number.
I thought it was an EIN.
It's
Employee identification number. Isn't it an EIN? Okay.
yes. So I and Jamona Williams is the representative of the defendant that is the beneficiary of the trust. So I am here to offset whichever debt and understand the nature of these charges or the criminal, admiralty, maritime, or whichever jurisdiction before I can proceed.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to know whether you have a lawyer today and if you've talked to anyone. That's
Also
it.
have a lawyer.
Okay.
And I would like for the court to be in motion to dismiss these charges.
Okay. I mean, you're welcome to file them. We're not going to do it for you. You're welcome to file any documents that you want. You can do
I
that.
have tried to before, but your county clerks and the keep on denying my documents.
Go to the third floor, go to the third floor, the customer service, and I think that they can take anything that you want to file.
They send me to the third floor, to the ninth floor, every time. It's a violation, federal violation, the county law.
Have you guys done anything that expired?
No, personally, I haven't.
Not her, it was another lady that was here, before.
Okay, you're welcome to file anything and we'll take it for you if you'd like. But I mean, you have several ways that we can go forward. You can represent yourself. You can hire a lawyer. You can apply for a court-appointed lawyer if you'd like. How would you like to go forward?
I would like to represent myself.
Okay. Sure. Let's do this. I have some business to handle. We need to do what's called a presiding hearing, because I need to have put a hearing on the record to see whether you should represent yourself. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. If you need open heart surgery, are you going to, operate yourself? I mean, you probably could, but it's probably not a good idea. It's the same thing with the legal case. You may not know the rules of evidence. You may not know the rules of criminal procedure. You may not know the Texas Penal Code. If you try to admit something and you don't do it the proper way, it'll get denied, because when you represent yourself, we treat you as if you were a lawyer, you yourself. So let me have you take a seat in the jury box. Let me handle all the business, and then we'll have, Ramon is here, right?
Yes, Judge.
We'll have a hearing on the record, and then you're more than likely to represent yourself. Just remember, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. So if you end up representing yourself and you talk to the DAs and you say something where you think it's helping, but in reality it hurts you, they may very well use it against you to prove guilt. Okay? So just hang tight. Give me 10 minutes. Let me get through stuff, and then I'll call you up and we'll do it here. Okay, sure. Yes, ma'am.
Charles did, but
He got the device on March 30th, and so all of the skip tests are after he got the new device. And so they're about an hour and a half.
So it's all after the new device.
So I am still under the impression that the device that he has is still effective. That's what I was told.
Who told you that?
Client told me that.
Okay.
That the device
Sure.
that he was going on was not working properly. He called to tell pre-trial that
Yeah, so on the 22nd, he called us saying that he spilled water on the device, and so he didn't think that it was working properly. We advised him to contact the company. There are not any entries as of yet. HP company or their new.
Oh, so we're still with the same device?
he has calls from the March.
No, not mushroom. This is April 23rd.
Right. What I'm saying for like, until he spilled the water, how many device he has now and got the new one, he did call about the old and still not functioning properly.
He called the vendor, but the old one still not functioning.
Yes.
Was he still using it?
He was told by his house to still continue to go on it, even though it wasn't like Easter egg.
Yes, and so he got the new device, and then he was switched over to the new device.
Okay.
But he hasn't done the new device yet.
He has done the new.
But there's still skips after the new device. Okay. Mr. Cantu, come up.
Right.
This is your now second set of bond violations. I can't just continue and let it go forward, sir. Because if not, I'm telling you what you're doing is okay, and it's not. I'm now going to revoke your bond. You will go to jail. Guys, it goes with you. His bonds are at $100 now. I'll set him at 5,001, and then we'll go from there. He'll auto-populate on tomorrow's docket, but I just can't continue to let him go. I let him go one time. Here we go. It goes with you. Talk to them.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, of course, absolutely. Yeah. 5,001. Hey, Ramona, do you mind setting up, please? Hey, guys, you ready? Hey, yeah.
Hey, Judge.
Hi.
This is what Mr. Moss. It's a fugitive case.
Is this the guy that
Yeah.
you surrendered
His
the?
wife came in, she surrendered his passport this morning.
Got it. Okay,
We
great.
just need the bond amount set.
Yeah.
She's claiming.
What is that? 6,000?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, perfect.
Thanks. Hi, Mr. D.
Good morning.
Great to see you, man. It's been a while.
Bear with me.
Hey.
Oh, wait.
Hi, Carl. You ready? Oh, okay. Wait, I'm live streaming. You want to talk him back? Is everything okay? Okay. Oh, you got 4 cases on for tomorrow. You want to move them? Are they old? If they're old, a week. Or otherwise, then I don't care. Okay. Okay. Hope you feel better. Take care.
Good, Your Honor.
Hey, what's
So,
up?
I'll wait for him to get here. My client was this case to be done under the New York Times Code and the tax code. So we can get this hearing to a code closest to the IRS. So I would appreciate it.
Who's your guy?
So this is off docket, but if we need to come back on the again, no problem. But it's a weird written.
A new case or
It's an arraignment, just an arraignment. But he's already gotten bond conditions. That being said.
have I seen him already?
You have not.
So I need to see him. I have to do the arraignment. I want, so, yeah.
Well.
Always on a first setting, I need them to sign conditions.
Perfect, because it does give us time to get that vote here.
Okay. Hey, be prepared. You know,
I think
be
this might be
prepared.
resolved for that. No, and honestly, I think that he would have a very good argument, like more so on this one than the last one. It's just officers need to learn comments and not periods.
Yes, I know that there
Like-
are
Because when you
There-
put a period, you end the action.
No. But there are, I think there are a couple Supreme Court opinions that
Right.
really revolve around a
Around,
comma
right.
and yeah.
But I mean, some officers, the agency are wonderful. It's like some I've read, and I'm like, this is really good writing. And then some, it's like, I don't even know if this guy's literate. But this one, it's like.
But it's like that in everyday life with everything, Michael. You know, you get good ones and then you get lazy ones.
At least coherent.
But then what would that do to your job?
It's not what it would do to my job. My job is merely to make sure that my client's rights are upheld and my client's rights to be trampled by bad grammar.
How upset would you be if every single person wrote like they were a Harvard law scholar?
Well, then,
You know?
I'd be the dumb one. I'd be like, what is this guy writing? like I'm incompetent.
That's how I felt. That's how I felt on my first day of constitutional law. I get in there, he starts talking for half an hour. I'm like, what? Is it Mandarin?
But now here's the deal. I love 1L year. I was that weird guy that was just like, man, this is like Monday would roll up and I'd be like 6 o'clock Monday morning. I'd be like, gotta go learn.
Yeah, yes. But it took me a while to kind of acclimate to.
I was just happy to be there. Let's get the distribution. We do defensive grounds.
Day.
I do the defense.
I'm about to head to court 10 for probably a good hour. If you guys got anything,
I feel like you can get it out.
just so you know.
Yeah, I just got started back.
Mr. Bell.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you, man? Happy Monday. So would a swab create that kind of issue?
Don't know for certain.
Good morning.
Because I mean, if you think about it, a swab, you swab it and the alcohol dissipates immediately.
Yeah, but it's all over the body. So yeah, they have leaves placed all over the body.
They don't put alcohol in the leads. They put a gel, right? But the gel doesn't have alcohol in it.
It's soaked into the skin and
Veronica, tell me about,
I got another issue.
oh, okay, tell me.
He's in the hospital once. He's been admitted to the hospital.
You have proof?
Thursday afternoon.
You have proof?
I have a picture of him. You give it to me. You got a picture of his room number that he sent to me.
Show me what you got. Because usually they'll have some kind of admittance
Yeah,
document.
I got a bracelet where he got it on there too. So this is what he sent me this morning, showing he was in the hospital.
That says
I'll get you the
Jonathan.
name.
I'll hold. Just let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
And then, yeah, whenever you're ready, just let me know.
The other issue with the doctors, and they may need to keep the flash off so that he can get some change while he's in the hospital. So just get the court idea at that point.
Okay. I mean,
And we'll get proof of all.
yeah, just give me proof. If he's in the hospital, obviously I'm not going to ding him in the hospital, but
We'll get all.
well, I guess we'll address it afterwards. But so the alcohol violation, tell me about it.
Graham received an alert saying that alcohol was detected, and so we were able to get in contact with him about that. I know he would call our office to talk with an officer.
You need to download everything to even see. Is that what it is? Do you need to have the document to download all the information, or do you have it? You know, usually a lot of times someone will tamper with it, or you can tell how long the alcohol violation is. Well, it lasted 2 hours, it lasted 3 hours. And can you tell any of that now or no? I mean, Veronica, take your time because he needs to get documentation anyways to prove that the client's in the hospital. And so are we set for trial on the first
We're
day?
not set for trial.
Hey, it's so much drama, man. You know,
We would like to try to work it out. So I'm gonna try to get with the prosecutor. and
Okay.
just-
let me be honest that prior to doing anything, I would think the most prudent thing would probably to do with TRAS first to see how we go forward.
So he's done it too.
How long ago?
This was, I've been on the case so far about 2 months ago, when he did that to you actually, and recommended inpatient treatment.
Mm.
You're in that condition, you can't do inpatient treatment because of all the obviously one mistake.
It'll be interesting to see how we go forward. I have no idea. I mean, just get on it and then just let me know when you're ready. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Hi, counsel. You ready?
I did so good.
Come on up. And no, because I have to go to court 10. We're gonna do that first. Then come back to that. Hi, just the last name of your client. Just the last name.
Well,
Bill. Okay.
Carter Jason.
Just, you're good. Just, you want to reset?
No, I just wanted to do that. Probably cause area. Had they had a problem with cause area?
There was. one-
Yes. The case is 100 days old. So yeah, we did it quite a while ago. If you want to do it again,
Did you do it or?
I did it. I think I did. Let me see.
January 21st, Judge.
Did I do it? Bell.
I believe so, Judge.
Good morning, Judge. May I approach?
Give me 1 second, Mr. Francis. I did,
You did.
but do you have a problem with it? I did do it.
A little bit.
Well, tell me.
The,
I'm all ears.
older marijuana.
Okay?
That's all we was going on.
But there's case law that says that's sufficient now.
Is it? I need to come down here more often. don't I?
Yeah, I mean, if you find something to the contrary, I'm all ears.
No.
Just let me know.
Good. Remember, I do.
Yeah. But I'm happy with what,
No,
you know,
that's good.
just, take your
Thank
time.
you.
Yes, sir. Counsel.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, how are you?
Please, for Marcus Edwards.
Okay, Evans, are they ready? Oh, is this Mr. Evans?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Evans. So you're charged with terroristic threat. You're facing up of a family or household member that makes it a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're also charged with violation of protective order. I'm assuming that case will be dismissed in exchange for the plea on this one.
Yes, sir.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of terroristic threat, sir? Guilty or not guilty? Are you guilty of this offense? Are you sure? Okay. All right. I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, send you to. Good luck, Mr. Evans. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll do it. I'll do it on both. I forgot.
You did.
Yeah, for Leonard, I did it all okay. Shut the front door. There's a twin. What? There's a twin?
Yes, I have that's.
Are you sure there's a twin? Mr. Francis, you ready?
Yes, sir, Judge.
All right, just the last name of your client, sir.
Norman,
What is it?
Norman.
Norman.
Yes, sir. Joshua Norman. So, Judge, this is a DWI MAJ. And the state made an offer this morning of time served on this case. And so
Why would
I
we
need
do
to I'm
me see.
not objecting to that.
Sure.
But I would like a little bit of time to at least discuss the offer with my client, as
Yeah.
long as all of this is okay by you.
Did he do anything?
Your role in IOP and SOP, it was involved, we started, we provided one positive for alcohol today, but he's just here. From there, he's gonna report in since we filed the motion on March 13th.
What, does he have any devices?
Yes, he has a device and he's in compliance with it.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll continue for now.
Okay.
The sanction is 120, any more violations.
Okay.
So I'm gonna continue him so he can finish doing it, Mr. Francis.
Fantastic.
But the sanction is 120 if there are any more violations.
I will certainly discuss that with him, Judge.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will say this, Judge, that the IOP SOP classes, they were all financial based. He's had some hardships as far as financial is concerned. He did test positive. He did blow positive rather on his device. There was a few times. He is struggling, but he's trying to put his life back together. And so I think a continuation would be good for him.
Any further violations, Mr. Francis, though, it's. Okay.
1000%. I understand, Judge.
When does he turn?
August 17th.
That's not enough time. 6 months.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Mr. Francis.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Take care.
Talk soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Good morning, Mr. Hernandez. It's Mr. Hernandez, right?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or up to a year in jail. Was there any restitution in this case?
Checking right now, Your Honor, we had asked for them to send us something, but they never
They
did.
never sent you anything? Okay. Ms. Hernandez, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. This is final today. You can never undo this. Is this what you want to do? Are you sure? Okay. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck, Ms. Fernandez.
And the state is going to dismiss the failure to ID, Judge.
Got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care.
Fernandez, you can step over here. Fernandez,
Ramona,
you're
you
gonna take this one off of the first one of collection. So that you leave.
Yes, Judge.
are you ready?
Yeah, let me come out there. Yes,
You want to come out here?
yes.
Okay.
Just share, just share.
Ramona, tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready, Judge.
You ready? Okay. Everyone, we are about to go on the record. If you need to talk, please go outside. Do not talk while we're on the record. What was the last name again? Hey. What's the last name of that case?
Oh, page 26.
That's right. Mr. Williams, coming up, sir. All right. We are on the record in cause number 260-6568, State of Texas versus Andrew Williams. Mr. Williams has been charged with driving while his license is suspended. He's facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Today's date is April 27th, 2026. It's approximately 10:26 in the morning. Guys, if you please will announce yourselves for purposes of the record with the state going first.
Coronati for the state of Texas.
And you are,
Andrew Morgan Williams for the defendant, Andrew Morgan Williams.
okay. Mr. Williams has indicated to me today that he would like to represent himself. So I'm going to just go through a series of questions so that everyone here is protected in the event that he wants to go forward representing himself so that he understands fully what the consequences are so that he can't come back at a later time and try to make a complaint or this or there. You need to fully understand what you're facing. So I'm going to ask you a series of questions. If you don't mind just letting me know. So how old are you? Mr.
44.
Where were you born?
St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands.
Do you read and understand English?
Yes,
Do you have any learning disabilities or communication handicaps?
no,
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent or treated for any mental health disorder?
no.
What is your educational background?
Some college,
Did you graduate from college?
no.
Do you have any legal training, education, or experience?
I'm a certified combination welder. I'm a certified medical assistant.
Sure. But do you have any legal training or experience?
None,
Have you ever represented yourself in a prior legal proceeding?
no,
Do you understand the charges against you?
no. I don't speak Lebanese.
You don't speak legalese. You were charged with driving while your license is suspended or invalid.
There's no evidence.
I just need to understand whether you know what the charges are and whether you understand it. We're not going to dispute the case now.
I recognize.
So you do understand what the case is.
Yes,
Do you know what type of punishment you are facing?
no,
You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
okay,
Do you understand that now?
I understand.
Okay. Do you understand what the range of punishment is if you are convicted of these charges?
Yes,
You have the right to court-appointed counsel. Do you want to waive that right?
yes,
Is your waiver done intelligently, knowingly, and voluntarily?
Yes.
No one has forced you to do any of this.
no,
Do you understand that you will not be able to claim ineffective assistance of counsel at a later time? If you were unsuccessful at trial?
understood.
we will have you speak to the district attorney and you guys can work out whatever you can, want. If not, at that point, we can set the case for trial and we'll just go from there. Do you have any questions?
No questions.
Okay. All right. Off the record. Okay. So, what will happen now is I'm going to reset your case. The case isn't old, right? It's what, 30, 40 days?
From February 17th.
Do you have the waiver
Yes, sir.
printed so we can have him sign it? So what I'm going to do is we'll reset your case for around 30 days. We'll need you to come back every setting so that because you're representing yourself, you'll have to be here. You'll need to get together with the district attorney's office to go through all the evidence that they have to prosecute this case against you. They're not going to give you copies, but you can take notes and prepare, bring a lot of paper so that you can take notes and you can write down everything that they have. You obviously have access to all the public documents, so you can go to the third floor and they'll give you copies of anything that you may need that's in your case file, this public record. If you want to file anything, come to me and I'll accept anything that you want to file, and then we can just make it a part of the file. Don't go to the third floor, just come here and then I'll take it for you and then we can file it here.
So can I give you my documents now?
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. So understand that you'll need copies for them as well. So anything that you file here with the court, you will also have to give a copy to the DA. So if you don't have copies now for everybody, we can set it a week, 2 weeks, you pick. You're the master of this case. So I'm happy to do whatever date you want, but whatever you're going to serve here, you also need to give them copies as well. Okay?
All right, can I have an address for the office that I can meet with them or?
Yes,
Yes, I can get an address.
it's in this building, right? It's fifth floor or where?
This is the fifth floor of this building.
Yeah, this building, go to the fifth floor. Do you have a card?
Yes, I do.
Why don't you give him a card? It might be easier that way. She's going to give you a business card so that you have it. That way, if you want to mail anything, it might be easier for you just to bring it here and then we can file it and then we can also give her a copy. So that way we can all make notations that you've done what you've done. So there's proof. And then we'll just give you time. You want to try to set up a meeting now so that you have something? What do you have? What discovery do you have?
911.
Okay,
And body cam video. Body
Okay.
cam and dash cam.
got it. So did you hear that? They've got a 911 tape. They also have body camera footage. So when you come to their office, you can sit down. They will have an investigator that sits with you and you can watch, listen to everything and take notes. And then after that, go and then we come back and then go from there. Okay? Okay. Good luck. Yes, sir. Miss Henley, I'm leaving. Do you need anything? You're good? Lindsay, I'm about to head out. I'm not leaving, but I'm going to go for at least an hour. Are you good? I'm going to go.
Just pick up the phone for the jurisdiction. So I guess we don't.
What? Yeah, let's just, I guess.
It's because my client don't go to Pennsylvania, but he has a term in Kentucky next week.
Oh, so what?
So I want.
He's on bond, right?
Yes, I want to send it for a week.
Oh, that's a problem.
Because he wants to find it.
That's a problem.
Right.
Yeah, let's wait. Edge, did you get, is top of page 29 back there?
Okay, so.
Bonell,
Okay.
he's not back there? Is he back there? Bonell, top of page 29. He's back there? Okay, don't send him down any talk, please. Hi, Mark, you ready?
Yeah, I want to approach on Mr. Bricinio, but I think Mr. Bricinio probably here's what we're approaching on. With your permission.
Mr. Briseño?
Yeah.
Okay, Briseño, come up. What's the word?
Well, the word is that, we're missing a 911 tape, and I have requested it, and I keep requesting it, and apparently it's not coming through. Mr. Bricinio is very frustrated that he's not able to, for this case to proceed.
Yeah, I agree. What's the holdup?
Yeah, and
Requested the 911 in February. I asked for admin to check up on it, to follow up, see if why it's taking so long. I haven't heard back from our admin yet.
Okay, so we'll set up for a 10-day discovery hearing. Whatever's not in by that time doesn't come in. Yep, okay.
so 10 days, schedule hearing. and
Yeah.
all that. It's
Just an exact 10 days from now, if they don't, whatever they don't have, that's it.
just trying to count the days,
So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
It'll be
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It'll be the 7th. So next Thursday.
next Thursday, so
Yeah.
that means,
Okay,
okay.
all right, guys,
No.
please.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Take care.
I don't know the lyrics for the website.
Hey, yes, ma'am.
So, I don't. On top is his doctor's note and graduate is trying to they're like, and so that was the thing I said. The next few papers are the spread report, and so we should see alcohol detected on the 19th, and then it go down until the 1.
So he was, the alcohol was detected at a time that he wasn't at the hospital. Okay, great. Okay, thanks. Oh, wait, can you provide this to Mr. Bell so that he sees it? Okay, I'm gonna go to court.
I mean, it's
Not, how much not Jesus? Circle back.
very well. How are you?
That's a little bit.
Oh, we have a lot of constitution.
Oh.
Yeah, it's so very.
Yeah.
Yeah, today it's very fun.
Oh, God. I see work. I'm almost saying, I'm going to say
Hold on.
You say about this.
2 weeks from now, for my birthday.
Oh.
I'm sure you don't come empty handed.
Listen.
May 14th.
Thursday.
One after felony.
Anything else was going to
I mean, that's. I know, I So you went out, you know.
Oh,
And I'm like,
that'd be $5.
Put it on my tab.
Okay.
Plastic 82.
You're too young for that. You remember Popeyes?
Yeah.
Would you be the guy with the hamburger, you really say, what, hey, Tuesday for a hamburger every day?
That's great. Oh, yes. Please sometimes. Yes, spelling is right. Hold the second. This is way here, you need to pay them, right? And as soon as you get something, don't say anything. Don't be sure. I always do this.
Yeah, but I think.
Yeah.
Small things right now, I don't. She wants to talk about the.
Yeah.
Funny thing, I'll tell you.
Never good.
Nowadays, it's probably.
It's the constant state of yes.
What's their stress ratio? Oh. What about if I don't have a room?
I'm gonna do like just low, but I can take a while. See what God does. Just ship.
Make him walk away.
Yeah.
Does he have a job?
Yeah, see.
Okay, so the goal is. So she's. Yeah. So like you. But like they sort of but I'm when I was such a listen. Have a meeting. And we throw me off. I'm sort of there's one. I'll say one of the people. I'll turn on. They should. Thanks. It's 40 downstairs. No, that's right. There's 20. Yeah, I see. You let me get you bad. No. Victoria, that form they created for Mr. Williams, we get it from you after? Yeah, I didn't do that one. So, let's see. These sovereign citizens usually like that.
Amazing saying, it's like them getting from a bunch of different systems and the people logging in, like, hey, here's how the process is.
I was thinking.
It's like training. It's like, yeah, I guess it's probably good for the training.
Should we? 16, 17.
16.
You said it was,
It's gonna be insurance.
No, it's fine. So okay. Got it. Yeah.
So many people want to say. Of course, that's the thing when you get a constitution. Yeah, let's see how that. They just. That's the very good is. The voice down like.
Yeah, oh, I was hoping. Durable. Gotcha. I don't have one. So he covered, yeah. Okay. It's all, I think. Oh, there's some trouble with the people. It's almost a rinse. It is like some of the skin. Oh, like, from that, yeah, I was. Yeah. You're welcome. Okay, on non-municipal, no. Yes. No, he just picked up two different cases based hours, so that's why they're on 4 days and they want 5 days, but no, yeah, I think today. The one for tomorrow is already gone, actually. Sick for the function. This was amazing, you know. She's getting. I look at the players, but you know, yeah, rather. They talk some parts and it might be the comments. Oh, and I can, yeah, that's where you go. Oh, we keep them as that service and for it. Okay, hopefully they'll get more. But getting it does, you wanna. Yeah, but it was on this. All is. 30 of July, or no, the older ones that have so health and it's just in their residence first. So they have to stop looking at it. And looking for both cases, not seeing it. All right, I'll let you know. Oh, okay. It's John Howard, what is that? We get like. And the majority of Leo will do it, right? Leo's a lot of. I'm gonna ask. I was ready to pull one. Oh. Cause he's like. No, it seems like we're not. Exhibit, trustworthiness, at least in this case. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the loss. It's still like the balance. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Very manual.
Okay, Farwell. Yes. There was a case, no PC. You want to take a look at, see if we're gonna have some. With the home day. Yeah, with the day, yeah, you know, the Z last week. See. But now she covers these. Okay, yeah. Yes. Yes.
You have the piece in here for general paper or.
You can have state paper. This is.
No.
Yes. Lewis? Latvia? Yes. You can fill out your form? Yes. Diane, should you turn in the finance application? I have. To bring the form to the place. That's great. That's you can write it for me. That's where the information to that show. Yes. Okay. This is
Okay, I'll move to individual.
What's in the back?
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
You're taking it over now. But I'll be-
Yeah.
No, keep reading.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I see.
Will they follow the- No. No.
Oh, that's what we said.
Yes.
He has to finish. For now. Beginning with that profile.
Alex Fox is the one from jail to bill. I'm sort of with that. Why can't?
What's the case number?
260130. Alex Fox.
Okay, I'll have to send it off to Rizana. Is that okay?
It's the It's not. Thank you. I feel it.
There's also. Not way too much, you know, thank you very much. You can make all right. We're really Alex Sparks. He wasn't Alex, I think. I decided, you know, that, no, it comes out from record, it's the same, I think they were like, you won't be going to the White Act program. Just one. It's really the first on Friday. Yeah, I think you charge some of those. And then on. I'm talking for the. And then, okay. This is that is not relation since I was doing one.
Okay. Yeah. Is it very? Oh. You should. Yes, he did. I told you later, I can go put out fire on fire. Yeah, more nice. Yes, I have it. Yes. Yes, I need to handle it. My other problems. That's for issues. It's not going down there. Like, I'll be trying to lie. Y'all look like you got. Okay, I'll check on stuff. When I left him there, it's like, is he on the?
No, he's in bed right now.
Okay, well, y'all give me on Teams. Oh, thank y'all.
No, what's that? Settles.
Long time.
Yeah, how many?
I don't.
I'm ready to send it. I'm ready to send it. She started to speak. There should be moderated, probably not at least 6.
Oh, that's. I'll say four.
So. But the someone that showed you. So we learned.
I guess that's.
I love it.
Well, you don't read that Zoom, so that you like come in there, schedule about it, you can check it out. They look at that. The social. Yeah. Exactly. It's a house.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, it is the street, that's important, the street. Yeah. So I would think it's so fascinating. Well, you're. Still don't know, like, so how we gonna be. That's important. You kind of see how it's going about that is. And it's you know, Finland's how that makes up. That's what common stuff. That's usually we have a little stuff on kindness. I'll give it to them. And it's a floor. That has no entrance on the G1.
Okay. That's yeah, explains stuff because when you're getting find out what I was in the
Yeah. Never go.
What is it? What is it? So I see underneath her. Like, make sure you have it was Judge was all the invitations was moved along. And so you forget that to those students. And that was so long. Yes, yes, but those will be going to not sign up for that. You know, like, take one off and send it to, you know, space. I just don't really feel for them. But. Most of the people here. They shame. And we have to try to be able to. Yes, you're going to tell the police to shoot. She's like. Yeah, how was the sandwich? That's already.
I just in here. I would have those things.
Oh, yeah.
Not lose faith. Yeah.
Are you? Those training. Isn't you for all of them? And the cells and the games and the. So we get. Pretty much, so I think. No. I don't think so. Can't see if you know. Say something.
I'll go on to it, no matter what. Okay, so basically, the people that is not that. He shows them, that's what you're asking, so that you should get. That way, he's trying to get it back in the bag. Which comes over, who's, you know, you see that law, he was going through the bag. He said, no, we're gonna, and check out the bag, saying, you like, so I'm gonna prep. And then, but he didn't get back, exactly the opposite, through a bottle of them, and she would show up. So, I think that was pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty strong. You can tell what I can do my class. I need this every year while from now. Yeah, there's someone check that first. I'm alright, so we're gonna do that.
Oh, yeah.
Should we take phones?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, you ready? Okay, can I take a poll real quick? Just the audience poll?
Absolutely not.
No?
No, just kidding.
All right. All right, two dudes. One dude, try to talk to his girlfriend. Girlfriend's brother comes out and said, hey, get away from my sister. Showed his gun. Kicked his car. Come my guy whooped his ass and died. Yes, I heard one, yes. You gotta give an amen. Amen. Yeah, I get an amen. What do you think? She's shaking her head. What do you think? I whooped his ass? Not really. Got one out.
The dude put his hands on the sister. He didn't put his hands on her as well. So, you know, he's not going to sit there, he's gonna get himself in trouble, he's gonna end up with it.
So you got, what do you do about that?
He goes, he should go to.
He should go to jail?
Yeah, he want to go.
Hey, look, he does excellent, right?
Because you.
All right. And then we'll.
Okay,
Sorry, Judge.
All right.
Let's take a
Oh,
little
please.
poll. Let's take a poll of the audience.
all right.
You would have enjoyed it. Yes.
You ready? Let's roll.
I'm fine with both.
Yeah.
And it's already late. The final
Yeah.
budget data?
What about it?
No.
Are you gonna go in? You have a document.
Okay, hey, guys, come on up. Hi, Robert. Who you got?
It's an off docket there.
Okay,
It's called number 260
okay,
7183.
7183? Okay,
This is the case that I put out, I believe, last week. We were waiting on a Rick Ball. He's got a near child and felony court at AFE here. They've spoken with the victim, the mom, twice now. She's spoken with me as well. She's recanting, saying basically what happened. He never touched her. Sorry, there's injuries there that she had, but might have been self-inflicted. Not sure. She didn't get into details, but she's saying, yeah, she lied and she didn't. He never touched her.
what do you want?
I want on the bond conditions, there's no contact with her or the child. I just want to see if we can mirror the felony bond conditions, have no threatening or harassing contact and no unsupervised contact with the child instead.
Well, I don't have, I'm not going to do anything about the child. My only concern is about her. Have you spoken to her?
Yes, and she did recant, she said that, she doesn't want to come home.
And the other reason I mentioned the child is because it does say in here, no contact with either one of them on our conditions.
Tell me about the assault real quick.
Complainant stated defendant and complainant have been arguing on and off since the previous afternoon. Defendant began to poke the complainant in the forehead with his finger. Complainant then put her hand up near her face to prevent the defendant. Defendant then struck her with his right hand in the fist. Sorry. Defendant then struck her hand with his right hand in the fist 2 times, causing pain. Do you want to hear about the injury to the child as well? A complainant went to breastfeed her child on the bed. Defendant then went into the bedroom and asked the complainant why she was lying on his bed without his permission.
No.
So, real quick, Judge, just so I can give some context to what's going on. It did explain that there's a petty fight over him being upset that she's not working, not going to school.
I don't care what, just.
Yep.
I'm not ready yet.
And real quick, as far as the injury to the child case, mom did say that the baby bit himself and my client had a cut on his finger. Any blood marks that were on the baby were from him carrying the baby from the cut on his hand.
Great. I'm not ready yet.
Do you all, the other reason why I'm asking if we can do that, Judge, is because felony is saying no threatening or harassing.
I get it.
The judge specifically asked if he had done any kind of counseling with her, right? Family counseling. He's not allowed to go to the house, right? Not allowed to do that. We're not asking for, we're just asking for him to have be able to have non-threatening or harassing contact so that he can go about and start doing, get counseling, family counseling involved with her. He's still gonna have to stay away from the house. He has a GPS monitor.
Show me first that he's registering what he's got and then we'll talk.
Yes.
But I'm not gonna just hope and then he hopes. And then if we do it, first I want him to sign up and then I want to monitor progress to see how he's actually doing. And then baby steps will do it. But at this point, not yet.
Okay.
No, but show me that he's actually going to do it, that he signed up, get ready to do it. And then we'll start talking.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, Mr. Uncle. Come on up. Yes, ma'am.
I, 2 off the docket cases, both regarding bond conditions.
Okay. Who's first?
First cause number is 2593107.
Okay.
2 conditions of his bond were, one of them was to get full-time employment. The other one was to come today for the drug test. He does have full-time employment that he is supposed to pay. He told me that he's on a 90-day probationary period and his job was between that hour.
Do you have proof that he's actually working?
I have the name and the number of the place and I can ask him for written confirmation. These are all very.
Sure. He's not here though, huh?
No,
I'm going to revoke the bond. He's supposed to be here.
no, I don't.
Is he not supposed to be here
He's
today?
not on docket.
No. He may have been before.
But he's supposed to test today.
He's supposed to test.
I mean, he has until the end of docket, I guess, right? He can go until 3:00. Yeah. But if he shows up at 4, then don't they usually send him away?
Usually they'll try to squeeze them in. We can tell people like latest is 4:00.
Okay. So, I mean, he's got until 4:00.
He's spent a lot of time trying to find his job. He has it now. He was in contact with me.
Okay. I'll give him until tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you.
Who's your other one?
My other one, let me back off some more. 2561739.
Okay.
She has random drug testing. She reported to me that on between May 14th and May 23rd, she needs to check on a family member out of state. She wanted me to see if one would.
Yes, it's okay, but let her know she's going to get tested when she comes back.
I believe it would be May 26th as the first business day after her return.
How long is she going?
Memorial Day, 14th to 23rd.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yes, ma'am. Hi, Adam.
Hey, ma'am.
What's up?
I've got 2 pieces for you.
Okay.
The first is James Baldwin,
Okay.
and he is in custody.
Tell me what's the word on Mr. Baldwin? Oh, we got to set a bond.
Yes.
Is he here?
He's in the room.
Can you bring out Mr. Baldwin? Yeah, who's your second case?
Second is Quentin Gray.
He has a violation.
Come up, Mr. Gray.
Judge, I would just ask the court to consider, this has, I believe, been a misunderstanding.
Do you mean the fact that he took alcohol? The fact that he tested positive for alcohol, it's a misunderstanding?
I'm referring to the reading on the portable device, Your Honor. Mr. Gray had recently started using a mouthwash. He was, and Judge, I would just note, so I believe he was using this two were alleged in the the first two were at 0.066. The second was taken at 6:45, so a full 20 minutes after the first one is at 0.050. Now, I'm no portable device technician, but that does seem like a very significant drop in blood alcohol concentration over 50 minutes.
It's eliminating, you know, it's the second BVR. What do you want? You don't get rewarded for continuing to pick up BVRs. You know?
I would, there's no, I mean, he's currently on a portable, could the court consider maybe putting him on a SCRAM device instead?
It's the second bond. It's continuing to happen. It doesn't get better the more violations you get. Coming up, Mr. Baldwin. Mr. Baldwin, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On April 22nd, 2026, officer was dispatched to a burglary in progress at a townhouse residence in Harris County, Texas. Witness stated that defendant broke the front glass door to her residence and then forced entry into her neighbor's / complainant's residence. Witness reported the glass door will cost $2,000 to fix. Defendant proceeded to damage complainant's back glass door and the attic door of the residence and then attempted to barricade themselves inside while drinking mouthwash and wine. Officers gained entry and detained defendant on scene. Complainant observed the defendant was wearing complainant's pants and that defendant had damaged multiple items in the residence, including leaving the shower head running and flooding the restroom. Damage to complainant's property was about $2,170.
So he has an open criminal mischief, a felony criminal mischief. Is this the same complaining witness?
Right now, Your Honor.
Mr. Baldwin, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, and I'm going to put a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times. You're not to go in within 1,000 feet of where this person lives or works, and I don't want you out in the middle of the night. So you will have a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. How old is your client? 18, 19? On your other ankle, you will get a SCRAM monitor so we know that you're not consuming alcohol. You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be tested random. Well, actually, you're going to have a monitor so we know that you're not consuming alcohol. These are things that you're going to get if you get out. Your bonds now on the both felony cases are totaling $70,000. We need to set a bond now. What's an appropriate bond considering?
Yes, Your Honor. So I would just note, as Your Honor observed, that his felony bonds are quite high already, so that they will be sufficient to ensure future court appearance and prevent future harm to the community. I would also note that Mr. Baldwin has ties to the community in the form of a job. He works at Health Fitness as a salesman. In that role, he makes about $10 an hour plus commission. So in my understanding, he is quite successful as a salesman. He does have an address in Houston, and he lives together with his parents. If he needs a ride to court or anything like that, his parents will be able to provide that. So Judge, I would ask Your Honor to, I mean, frankly, the felony bonds will probably prevent him from getting out, but I would ask that Your Honor set this case at a PR bond, so that if he does get a bond reduction in felony court, that he doesn't have further restrictions and from his misdemeanor court.
I don't know if that's appropriate. He's on bond for a felony criminal mischief, 150,000 to 300,000. Literally 2 days after being charged with the felony, he picks up another felony and a criminal mischief.
Yes, Judge. And I mean, I would just note, of course, these are all just allegations and
sure,
are currently,
but we keep picking up cases and it's 2 days later. What do you think?
Your Honor, I think $10,000 he picked up a new criminal mischief case 2 days after his felony criminal mischief.
and Judge, I'd ask that if you are inclined to set a cash bond, I'd ask that it be $1,000.
Mr. Baldwin, don't think that there are any conditions that we can place that will, my one and my only concern is my community and the protection thereof. And I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. And let me be frank, you scare me.
I'm sorry to ask every time I just.
Stop. But Mr. Baldwin, actions speak louder than words. You're on bond for a really serious felony. You picked up 2 cases 2 days later. I'm going to set the bond at $5,000 on this case. I'm not going to grant you a PR bond. I just think that, if you do bond out, what these conditions are. If you pick up any more cases, I'm just going to revoke and it just keep going up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck, sir. Thanks. All right. Please see the clerk. I'm sorry. Please see. Mr. Fan.
Correction, Your Honor.
Thank you, Adam.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I have an off-topic matter, Mr. 9.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 261.
Okay.
5546. Get ordered for him to have the strand. He did get the interlock. So he's asking the court to replace the interlock with the strand on and allow him to drive.
Why do we say no driving? I don't remember. It's 261 5546.
Strand, Your Honor.
Oh, just because it's his third DWI within a year and a half. Yeah, it's a third DWI literally within a year and a half to 2 years. No, I don't think it's.
He was saying that he's having some difficulty with the speed or so.
So we can put on the other ankle if he wants, but I'm not going to take his word for it. Just, 3 DWIs within 2 years, really. That's so, yeah. Okay, thanks. Dane. Hey.
You're on George Dividing on this.
What's the last name?
ABA.
ABA. Okay.
I think we needed a push on all conditions.
Oh, he picked up a new case. Oh, no.
We
He's out already.
He's
Got it.
out.
All right. Abian, come up. Do we know, hey, did alcohol or any kind of dope play a factor in this?
Taking a look right now, Your Honor.
Did not, Judge. There was a beer bottle thrown, but it's not related to consuming alcohol.
Yeah, there was a.
Is it a bar?
No, he was having a discussion with his girlfriend in the parking lot of their, they own a smoke shop. Somebody flashed a gun at him and picked the bottle up off of the ground, not anything that he was consuming, allegedly through an allegation.
I'll have it go. There was a glass beer bottle thrown.
I mean, they've spoken with him. That's
All right.
Mr. Abian, as a condition of your bond, you're not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, not to be in possession of any weapons. If you do, if you pick up a new case, I'm just going to keep revoking the bond. And it's just going to keep going higher and higher and higher. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, we'll have you sign the conditions. After that, you're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Past conditions with pre-trial that you gave him, when he
That's
was, yes.
Yeah, then just fine.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
All right, please.
Sure, see you.
Hi, Steve. How are you?
Good, you?
Drama.
I'm here, Mr. Hamer Fernandez.
Okay. Is it jail or bond? Custody? Is that with an H?
Yes. Ronell
I don't.
Fernandez and Albert.
You might be under the phone now, Judge.
Oh, I think I see it. Okay, got it. Yes.
So apparently he had two criminal trespassing cases, one that he had a PR bond for, another days later, he does not have any bond set for it. So
I have here one set at $100, one set at $400. Yeah, the new case is set at $400. I was gonna revoke the PR bond because he picked up a new case. 2007 he was born. So what, he's
18.
tell me what's going on with Mr. Hernandez.
Sure, I mean, he said that he had this.
Well, no. Like, does he have a place to go? Is he on the
Yes,
streets?
he's on-
Where are the trespasses from?
Same apartment complex. It's from a place called La Bella Vista Apartments. The trespass warning was issued, the first case that he went back.
Well, do you want anything in particular?
I was just hoping that he'd have a PR bond.
No, hell,
Okay,
no. I'll leave the bond as is,
okay,
and I'm gonna put a monitor prior to release that he can't go back to this place,
okay.
but I'll leave it as is. And normally we revoke the bond if he picks up a new case, but I mean, he's 18. Just tell him not to go back to this place. If he picks up a third case, I'm gonna lose him.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next case I have was just one that is Ms. Shante Lewis. I don't know if she is on condition.
Lewis.
Oh, he didn't need to sign there. Oh.
Cynthia Shante.
Yes, Miss Lewis, come up. Oh, I think we already have conditions.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you're good to go.
So I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, no, we don't. She needs to sign up.
Okay,
Just no contact with the complaining witness and no weapons. That's all.
okay, thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Well, let me tell her. Real. Come up, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, you're not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll have you sign the conditions and then after that, you're good to go.
Right this way.
Counsel, come on up. Hey, how are you? Yeah, good afternoon. Are you ready? Okay.
Let him sign through and stuff.
Yes.
You know, Mr. Gatterson, all we want our streets safe. That's all we want in this life. And when you continue to pick up criminal cases, the only thing that happens, we as judges, is see danger, 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 danger over and over and over. Life doesn't get better the more cases you pick up. And if I were a betting man, I would say most were one thing and one thing only. What is the one thing that's behind every or most of your cases, Mr. Gatterson? No, self-control. You lose self-control and it's over and it's over. And I hope that at some point you don't dig yourself such a hole that you end up with a 50 to 70-year sentence, because you never know when that one thing you do takes a catastrophic turn that you didn't know what was going to happen. You didn't intend for it to happen like that, but it just so happened. You're now charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement you have worked out is 12 days in jail with credit for the 4 days that you've done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty, sentence you to this agreement. Stop losing self-control. Good luck. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Yes, hey.
I'm reapproaching on question break.
Okay.
Judge, I forgot to ask, could we actually have set this bond, now, or would we have to wait?
No, I'm going to set it right now.
Okay,
No, I just haven't had time to breathe yet, but yes.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Okay. I was going to set it at, it's a second violation. He's at 5,001 now, 10,002.
Judge, could you consider keeping it at 5,000? He is a student, a full-time student at the University of Houston. So he does have ties to the community. He does have a long way to get to court. Additionally, if he does find out there are more restrictive.
So, hey, he will get a scram now, Mr. Gray, and then it can be out in the middle of the night. What do you think?
I'm not opposed to it as long as there is the amount of monitoring as well.
About what?
The monitoring screen.
I'll raise it up $1,000, 6,002. Okay. All right. We had it. Yeah. So 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Hey, anything else? Oh, Mr. Alonge, come on, tell me who you got.
I have a child. Is in jail. IRCH.
Okay.
Looks like the last time we reset it, you were thinking he was going to be able to bond out. He has not been able to afford bond. I'm still waiting for some discovery on this case. So we going to have to.
Is he on deferred now for felony assault?
Yeah, but I believe they filed a motion to dismiss.
What are they doing upstairs? Is there any?
It looks like there was, they dismissed the NHA.
Did they amend bond conditions?
From what I can see.
Yes, okay, so hey, it looks like he's going to ISF.
Yes, that's what's happening. And they won't allow him to go there until this case is taken care of. So it's kind of like an old here.
So we can't do anything. They want to send it to ISF, which is like an inter-sanctionary facility. It's something like of this nature, but they can't do that until this case is taken care of. So I don't know what you want to do. I mean, he can take a deal. They can dismiss it. I don't know, but you want to set it maybe a week to do discovery?
Yes, a week, and then I can talk to the state and see if they want to dismiss
okay.
it.
Okay. A week then. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Honor.
You got it. Thanks. Yeah.
Receiving this morning, issues of docket.
Okay. What's the cost number?
Case number is 26.
Okay.
16100.
Hart, come up.
There.
It's hard, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or household member. That makes it a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On April 19th, 26 in Harris County, Texas, the complaining witness advised that his ex-girlfriend, the defendant, was making threats against the complainant and the complainant's mom's lives. The complainant provided officers with multiple calls of the defendant saying she was going to kill the complainant. On April 17th, the defendant showed up at the house and told the complaining witness's mom she was going to kill her son. On April 19th, the defendant texted, "I got something for put somebody down and I'm not scared of nobody. You think I'm playing on the phone? Your mama needs to find somewhere else to stay. That's not everything. I love your dead ass, daddy." And a pic of a firearm.
And a what?
A picture of a firearm as well.
Got it. Okay, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons or not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. If you violate these conditions, I will order your arrest, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. You understand?
I would like to present this to you because I actually done a police report on them on the 16th. I just want to give it to y'all for documentation.
I don't, there's nothing that I can do with that. You need a lawyer and the lawyer can help you with that. I just
have
don't.
a copy of the thing, and can you please make sure you send it out to him also because he's already reached out to me.
Who what?
The person that's Tristan that I done the
So-
on, they already called me. Like I keep adding to my police report.
You have the right to remain silent. You're gonna, everything you say, they're gonna sit there and type and try to use it against you. Just don't. You need a lawyer.
I just thought if I was to tell you that they were.
So look, if this person reaches out to you, hang up. If they call you from an unknown number, hang up. At some point, they'll get the message. If they come to your house, don't open the door. You know, if they text you, do not reply. Just, there's records for everything in this life. You know what I mean? Everything is recorded. You can get phone records. You can get, so just don't have any contact and don't pick up any new cases. Don't have any weapons and all will be fine. I'm not asking much from you. You know what I mean?
That's fine. Yes, sir. But just give it to the lawyer when I get one.
Do you want to hire a lawyer? Do you want to apply for a court-appointed
I've
lawyer?
done the paper when I was in jail for a court appointed.
That's only for magistration.
Okay, yes, I'll take it.
It's, so what we're going to do is we're going to send you home with one now. It's 12:30. It's
Okay,
late.
that's fine.
When we come back, have it filled out and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. And at that point, if you do, we'll appoint you a lawyer. In the meantime, if you want to go hire a lawyer, you're most welcome to do that.
Yes, sir.
Just don't pick up any new cases. Don't have any contact with this person. I don't care who initiates it. Okay?
Yes,
We'll have bond conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign them and the reset, at that point, you'll be free to go. So
Okay.
don't leave until you come
Copy
here.
of it, though, for the,
We're gonna give you a copy.
contact?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You'll get a copy of it for sure.
Okay.
Okay. So can you file?
Yes, sir. No problem.
What is time for you to reset?
Correct. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Mendez. So you're charged with possession of a gambling device or equipment. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 12 days in jail with credit for the 4 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. You understand? From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. You understand? If you ever pick up another case, the minimum punishment is now 90 days in jail. Okay? So, all right, you give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do?
I already signed regulations.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I mean, I still say,
Well, just be careful, you know?
I just follow the phone, let's say.
Yeah.
I'm already signed.
Yeah, I understand. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
No, I don't really.
Do you plead guilty or not guilty to this case?
Oh. I
I plead guilty to
Oh, you do? I didn't hear. Okay. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow this agreement, sentence you to the 12 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 4 days that you've done. Good luck to you, Mr. Mendez. Okay, Victoria. I'm gonna go through the list. Oh, I'm sorry. You have more? Dang, you're high maintenance.
Very easy, Judge.
Okay, what's the word?
Judge, we like, cross setting, move away, any, notice period, so the court review session.
Judge, this was a jailhouse assault.
I remember.
I found out today that the complaint is not in custody anymore. So I haven't had a chance to talk to the complainant at all or even get a contact number. I sent it to my investigator today. If we can have just a bit more time to try and get.
Can you, maybe a day or two, just to see if they can rip it, to see if
Judge, I will.
you make like a really good attempt to try to rip the person within the next day or so?
Don't have a number yet because it was a jailhouse assault, so they didn't have any contact information, but I have it, I sent it to our investigator to try and get the number.
Would you tell me, what do you want to do?
If the state promises so. Do something for next week, we get rolled the next week. Later on,
Can you send it to the investigator now, right?
Yes. it's
Just let them know that he's asking for a 10-day trial setting at the next setting. If you guys haven't, then we're gonna tee it up. Okay?
Okay. No, I mean,
And maybe they'll, you know.
exactly, that's what I'm.
Yeah.
Pushing for.
Okay, all right.
I'll let you know.
Vic,
Yes, sir. Top on page 5,
okay,
are we getting the phone up one?
Bell. It's a UCW. Antoine was in here earlier.
There's two bells with these, you know.
It starts with a D.
Got it.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
All right, it's being dismissed.
Okay. Top of page 7.
5001.
Judge, we checked in, but I wasn't sure if we're supposed to do like a sequence or something. And nobody was attached.
It's set to THA, right? Yeah, just THA.
Okay, well, just here.
Okay. Who's next?
Top of page 12, are we expecting a novel on that one?
Hillsman.
We needed another class certificate and we emailed defense counsel about it. We haven't gotten, it was a PTI.
And the defendant's not here?
You want us to check in Hillsman?
I guess 5001. Supposed to be here.
Top of 15. It's a fugitive case, you checked in.
He's not supposed to check in. He's supposed to check in the demanding jurisdiction.
Oh, it got dismissed.
Got it. Okay.
Top of 19, are we getting a dismissal on that one?
Yeah, they did. They did. I signed it. Yeah.
Bottom of 22,
2501.
defendant checked in and said he hired somebody, but nobody's coming.
Okay, I guess just roll it. Roll it a week.
Page 27, with no kissing by the magistrate versus.
Zematis.
Respect to knowledge.
Zemitis. Zemitis touch.
Is it ZEO?
ZEM.
Z.
Like Zima. Remember the Zima? You ever have a Zima? God, those are god awful.
Seven or eight.
Remember Zima? That was so good. Terrible.
I'm sorry, Judge, I don't think I approached on this one. What was going on?
No PC per magistrate.
That's,
Are you guys gonna get rid of it or are you gonna indict it?
I'll follow it.
Yeah, no, just 1 week.
Yeah.
I gotta go back to court 10.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just,
Yeah,
it's actually, I've been told to stand out.
Well,
Unitas.
she said if you find the PC.
I can't. It's already been no PC. I don't think I can redo it. Once no PC is found, we lose jurisdiction over the person. You'll have